Welcome back to Car Review. The Chevrolet Impala 396 for 2025 redefines what it means to blend classic American muscle with modern innovation. A nameplate that has stood the test of time, the Impala 396 pays homage to its muscle car roots while delivering cutting-edge features for today's drivers. Under the hood, the 2025 Impala 396 roars to life with a 6.5-liter V8 engine, producing a heart-pounding 396 horsepower, a nod to the legendary big block engines of the late 60s. Paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, this modern muscle machine delivers both thrilling acceleration and refined highway cruising. Whether you're chasing adrenaline on winding roads or cruising through city streets, the Impala 396 offers a driving experience that's nothing short of exhilarating. But this Impala isn't just about performance, it's about sophistication. The exterior design is a masterpiece, featuring a bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and flowing lines that pay tribute to its heritage while embracing contemporary aesthetics. Available in a range of striking colors, including midnight black, crimson red, and electric blue, the Impala 396 commands attention wherever it goes. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that's as luxurious as it is high-tech. Premium leather seats, an optional panoramic sunroof, and ambient lighting create an atmosphere of comfort and style. The 12-inch digital driver display and 15-inch infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation ensure you're always connected. And for audiophiles, the Bose premium sound system delivers an immersive listening experience. Safety and convenience take center stage with a suite of advanced features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Chevrolet's Super Cruise hands-free driving system is also available, making highway commutes a breeze. The 2025 Impala 396 is a car that bridges the gap between past and future. It's a tribute to an iconic legacy and a statement of what's possible when performance meets innovation. For those who crave power, elegance, and modern-day convenience, the Impala 396 is more than a car, it's an experience. Feel the rumble of the V8, embrace the luxury of the ride, and rediscover the joy of driving with the 2025 Chevrolet Impala 396. This isn't just a car, it's a legend reborn. Thanks for watching. Bye.